Guys, quick review of the Cabelas 6 Getaway tent. Got this tent for $139 off Cabelas this week. It was on sale. It's a 12 by 8 footprint with a center height of 77 inches. Has a separate rain fly that actually gives about, I'd say, about a 3-foot vestibule out front. I just sent the tent up in my basement, just to make sure it's the tent that we're going to use. Gigantic tent. 2 poles that cross over the center is all that supports it. The poles are fiberglass. They are gigantic, so you're definitely going to need some room to set this tent up. Took me probably 10 or 15 minutes by myself, for the first time, but I think going forward will be much easier. The tent itself goes actually into the fabric on top, and then it pops out of the fabric and it goes into those traditional clips that you see on most tents. Nice thick fiberglass poles, maybe a little bit heavier than aluminum that I had in the past. I'm not going to lie, I was a little hesitant to get the bend in the fiberglass at first because I've heard some reports of them cracking with other tents. Pole snaps right in the base. When you finish putting the tent together, it is very breathable. It's probably 80% mesh, so it's going to be completely see-through, no privacy. So if you're looking for privacy, you're definitely going to need this rain fly on top. Rain fly itself, I'm 6 feet tall. I was able to put it on without a problem, but the tent best suited probably for a 2-person installation. Trying to think what else is with this tent. Take a peek inside. I have 2 queen-size air mattresses right now inside of it, with plenty of room. So queen-size air mattress is about 5 feet wide, about 68 inches long. So, more than enough room here. I'll have a couple feet in between to get through. When you go inside the tent, it has pockets in all 4 corners, and then it comes with an overhead pocket, which you install yourself. Pretty easy. Looks like there's gonna be plenty of room. As I said, I stand up in this thing. I got more than enough room. There'll be plenty of room to get around the beds, and then if you look at the foot of the bed, I'll have an extra 1.5 feet for some storage here. The zippers for the door are actually, very nice. Nothing to get caught on. It's a large D-style door, and you can see I have the rain fly tied back right here. But once you untie it, you'll have a pretty big vestibule coming up about 3 or 4 feet that you can store some shoes or bags in. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the tent. It came in a nice bag, which will be nice if I can get it back inside that bag. But we'll test it out in the weather, and we'll get a clue how this really holds up. I hope you guys enjoyed the review.